Hello, this is Perry Wilkie with StartupTrading.com. In this video, we're going to go over a feature within Rithmic Trader Pro that will allow you to duplicate trades across multiple accounts for free, as long as they're involved in a single login, right? A single session of Rithmic Trader Pro, you can see all the same accounts. So before we get into that, we have to do a risk disclosure. When trading, it's possible to lose all of your money. If you're really unfortunate, you can lose even more than you thought you had at risk and have to even send in more. This video makes no assumptions that you're going to be any better off with that respect after watching this than you were before. With that being said, let's get into this feature. So to duplicate trades on your main instance, select trade, and then after the menu comes up, hit place order. That's going to bring up this tab, and what you want to do is you want to select show more options and you want to hit close when done. You want to uncheck this box so this will stay up after you're done placing your first trade. You want it to open this up every time you're placing a trade. So that's going to bring up this window here, and I just drew out some stuff on this just as an example. And there's a couple things I want to make note of you with on this. First of all is, sorry, taking a trade. First of all, what I want you to notice is down here in the middle, it says account templates. Hit the configure button. I'm not going to give you an example of this because it displays all your account numbers. Nothing against y'all. I love y'all, but I really don't think you need to see my account information. So hit the configure, and what you're going to notice, there's only three columns in it. The column furthest to the right, if you put in a number in any of those, that'll be active for that. All you got to do is save the template, then you can select it. But for each template, if you sum up the quantity that you're trading with, that's what you have to do up here in this quantity. So if you're doing 4 accounts and you're just doing a one lot on each account, the quantity is going to have to be in a multiple of 4. If you're doing 3 accounts with a one lot, you're going to have the quantity in multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, etc. If you are doing 2 lots in one account and 1 lot in the other 2, that's a total of 4. So for that bracket, you're going to have multiples of 4. So you can select a bracket. One thing I like to use sometimes is the market if touched, last price. So I'm trading, in this example, I'm trading micros on the NASDAQ, and I'm watching the price on the ES, and when it hits a certain level, I want to sell the NASDAQ because I think when the ES hits resistance, it's going to back off. This is just nothing special about the levels or the example that I used in here. This is just an example. So if you think there's a correlation when one market hits resistance, it's going to affect the other one, or when one market hits support, you think it's going to affect the other one or the one you're trading, you can use this type of an order. Notice this cancel at time over here. I want to warn you that I have had absolutely zero luck using this feature within Rithmic Trader Pro. I don't know if there's a bug in it or if it's trader error on my end, but none of the trades have exited at that time. I thought I would be able to use this feature, and then it would pull my pending orders out at a time just in case something happened. But you can test it out on your own. You can contact the support within Rithmic Trader if you want to use this feature and get some more information on. If I get any more information about this feature, I will surely make another updated video about it, because it would be very awesome to have. And again, it would be an insurance policy in case your internet or power went out, that you didn't have to worry about your trades being pulled by a certain time, especially if your funded trading partner or your evaluation requires to have your trades pulled by a certain time. So that's really covers this. You can screw around with the options. Again, you'll want to uncheck this close when done so you can, hit multiple trades. And one thing that I like, when you're on a sell order, it's like a red screen. When you're on a buy order, it's like a blue screen. I find it very helpful. If you need an Apex coupon code, click on the Show More button at the bottom of this video. As long as we're able to and allowed, we'll try to keep an up-to-date Apex coupon code at the bottom of it. Check us out at startuptrading.com. Follow us on Twitter. You can follow the Jack Gleason, the Fibonacci King, as I call him. You can follow myself at Perry Wilkie on Twitter. And one thing I highly suggest is you follow Jack on Instagram. His handle is Trader. If you like this content, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so and you want to know when we post more content, subscribe to the channel. And good luck and good trading.